Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Break Bread with Arthur. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are taking a field trip to Baltimore. We are doing Baltimore style crab cakes. If you've been to Baltimore, you know this is super popular. I've been to Baltimore, but I haven't actually had crab cakes there. So hopefully I do them justice. Alright, so up first we have our crab meat. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my crackers. I think I did about 20 of them here. Just go ahead and add that in really good. Then we're gonna go ahead and give that a really good mixture of a stir. Oops. And I'm using jumbo lump crab meat. If you can't find jumbo, definitely want to do lump crab meat. It's gonna be your best bet. Set that to the side. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add in our little slurry here. This will consist of some mayonnaise. Probably should get a little bigger pan, but I think it's gonna be okay. Then up next, we have 1 egg. We're gonna add in a little bit of our hot sauce. This is Old Bay hot sauce. I picked this up in the store and I was like, oh, this is cool. Why not? We're gonna hit a little Worcestershire sauce. And then you cannot forget the Old Bay. If you don't add the Old Bay, the people in Baltimore will probably eat you alive. And we're gonna add a little parsley in there. And you wanna give that a nice little mixture stir. Little mixture stir. I think we are good there. Give it a taste. Yum. Alright guys, so it's time for me to go ahead and add in my little slurry mix that we made here. Just pour that all over. And just give it a good stir all together. Crab meat smells so good. I don't want to be too rough with it and lose the texture or anything, so that's why it's really good if you got jumbo lump crab. It'll hold that texture really well because they're so big and strong. But look at that nice pretty color is coming out to be. And what's so cool about this dish, it doesn't take long to make. This can be your appetizer, this can be your main entree, late night snack, midday snack, whatever you desire it to be. But it's super easy. Got a little nice ball size there. Straight up crab cakes. Nice little patties. Keeping that texture real nice and good. Like a little mini burger. Just kind of flatten it out there. Look at the crabs in there. That's beautiful. Just big lump crab. So every bite you take, you'll just be running into a crab. That's how I prefer mine. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. A little more in that one. Just gonna make this one a little bit bigger. And that's the cool thing about these, you can make it to whatever size you would like. If you want them real big, real small, it is totally at your preference. So have a field day with it. Just gave him a nice flip. Starting to get real nice and brown. All right, y'all, I took y'all all the way down to the DMV so we can do these Baltimore crab cakes. They are ready, really quick, easy dish. Let's stop talking. Delicious. You can taste that Old Bay. And then I made a little homemade tartar sauce to go with it. Just get all dipped in there. That's next level. Shout out to the DMV, Baltimore crab cakes. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna keep smacking on these. Break bread with Arthur. Until the next time.